Made for the Fluval ProVac model 11077. 2 layers for 2x the cleaning power. 4-pack. The Fluval ProVac dual-density filter pad removes large and small waste particles for a thorough clean. It is suitable for the Fluval ProVac Gravel Cleaner 11077. Top reviews from other countries. Why take them out of the box? These appear to be genuine, but alarm bells were ringing in my head when I found they had taken them out of the OEM box to repackage them into a different shaped box. They then flattened the OEM box, without much care, and included it. Very odd and suspicious goings-on.